everyone. Myself Kumari Sorang Tutu of Standard 9 from Vivekananda Kendra Ziro, Arunachal Pradesh. I'm very glad to participate in this Arunachal Children Literature Fest 2021. So I'm here to introduce my favorite author, Roald Dahl. He was born in 13 September 1916 to a Norwegian immigrants, Harold and Sophie Mendelin. While coming to the early life of Roald Dahl. While growing up, he studied in 3 different schools at different places. His first school was the Cathedral School in Llandaff, Cardiff, and then he was transferred to St. Peter's School at Weston-super-Mare, and he also studied at Repton School. He was fond of chocolate very much, that inspired him to write his book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. He also served in the Royal Air Force for 6 years from 1940 to 1946. He was married to an American actress, Patricia Neal, in 1953, and they had 5 children, Olivia, Ophelia, Lucy, and 2 more. And then they got divorced in 1983. After he got divorced, he again married a film producer, Felicity Crossley, in 1983. His first book was The Gremlins in 1943. He was named after the Norwegian polar explorer Roald Amundsen. He died in the year 1990, 23rd November, at the age of 74. He died due to a blood disease called myelodysplastic syndrome. His writing schedule was said to be from 10 am to 12 pm and 4 pm to 6 pm. Some of the short stories and books written by him are the BFG, The Gremlins, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, The Landlady, and The Enormous Crocodile, etc. So here's the most important question. Why do I like this author? I like this author because he was of another level. All his books were very imaginary, and I also love imagining too much. And he was also very creative. He used many new words and made many new words by himself. When I read his book, every time by turning each page, I got even more excited. And every time I read his book twice or thrice, I got the same excitement when I read it for the first time. So hope you will encourage yourself to read these books, and hope you will like this video, and thank you for giving your time to watch this video.